Quiz 1B, the simple present. Part A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Is, am, are. I am. He, she, it is. They, we, you are. Number 1. I am serious. Number 2. Tom. Tom is a he. He is very sporty. Number 3. My cat's very cute. My cat eats. Is my cat very cute? Number 4. My classmates is a they. They are. My classmates are all very hardworking. Number 5. Sammy and I, we are. Sammy and I are not shy. We like talking to others. Part B. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb. Other verbs: he, she, it, add s. They, we, you, I, no change, 冇改變. Number 1. We read 5 books in the morning every day. Number 2. She add s. Go ending in o. So she goes to the cinema every Saturday. Number 3. My brother is a he. He surfs. My brother surfs the net every night. Number 4. The children 係 the child 嘅總數. So actually they like playing video games together. Number 5. Sam does puzzles when he has free time. Part C. There are some mistakes with the composition. The mistakes are underlined. Write the correct word or phrases above the mistakes. Mary is my best friend. She likes animals very much. She does have a cat. 我哋係唔會講 does have a cat 㗎。He, she, it 會加 s， 所以係 has. She has a cat. 佢有一隻貓。She feed it every day. He, she, it 要加 s. Feeds it every day. However, I not like her cat. 但是我不喜歡她的貓。不喜歡，我哋係唔會就咁話 not like 啊。我哋he, she, it 嘅話會用 does not 再加個動詞。They, we, you, I 就會用 do not。咁所以呢一度我哋會話 I do not like her cat. It am very naughty。It 咧，我哋唔會用 am 㗎，我哋會用 is。It is very naughty. It likes licking my shoes and make my shoes wet. It 我哋係會加 s， 所以呢個我哋係 mix。留意喎，呢句其實係 It likes licking my shoes and it makes my shoes wet。咁所以咧，呢個其實係 he she it 要加 s 嘅。I often goes shopping with Mary。I 係冇改變㗎，所以應該用 go。I like toys and she not like toys too。嗱，留意呢個 too 啊，係話亦都喜歡嘅意思。咁所以咧係應該我喜歡玩具，佢亦喜歡玩具，就唔係 not like 啦。咁所以呢度咧應該係 she like。咁由於係 he she it， 所以加返 s， 所以係 she likes toys too。We also likes clothes。We 冇改變啦，所以咧係 like， 唔會加 s 㗎。However, we do not buy many things because we not have much money。但是我們不買很多東西，因為我們沒有很多錢。咁我哋講過啦，我哋講 not 嘅時候，冇嘅時候，我哋 he she it 會用 does not 再加 verb。They we you I 會用 do not 再加 verb。咁所以呢度係 we do not have much money. We still enjoy it because we can do window shopping。嗱，呢度留意啦 ，can 後邊呢係加 infinitive， 即是話呢一個動詞嘅本字。咁所以呢，我哋唔會話 does 加 can 後邊呢一定係 do。